If you want to create wealth in your life, follow this simple rule. Acquire assets. Put all your time, your energy, your money, your focus on acquiring assets that generate you income over time. You want every single dollar that you work hard for to work for you. So use that to buy assets that generate you income, and then reinvest that money to buy more assets. This simple rule will create wealth for you. If you need assistance when it comes to wealth creation, please contact our office, as we would love the opportunity to assist. I'm Clyde Gonzalez from Better Financial Tomorrow.